Hello everyone, good evening, and it is my pleasure to welcome you all in the LEAD Mentorpine session. LEAD is an acronym for Leadership Enrichment for Adolescents through Assessment and Development. Its vision is nurturing new generation leaders, and mission is fostering leadership amongst adolescents by providing opportunities to discover, develop, and demonstrate their unique abilities for creating and sustaining ethical leadership in society. After 3 years of intense research by a team of psychologists, LEAD framework was developed. Based on positive youth development framework of Richard Lerner, LEAD aims to develop leadership capabilities among adolescents through 4 dimensions of competence, collaboration, character, and confidence. So आप सबको स्क्रीन पे ये 4C मॉडल दिख रहा होगा that we are having the LEAD 4C model. This is basically designed by the psychologist of LEAD after a lot of research, and this is what our programs focus on developing among other participants. LEAD was started in 2013, and throughout its journey of these last 7 years, we have already extended our programs to more than 30,000 students. Most of these programs are now currently available in the virtual variant also. So these programs, I'll just take you through the brief of the various LEAD programs. So we are having the virtual LEAD camp. It uses various experiential mode to help participants discover and sharpen their leadership capabilities. As you can see here, we had different kinds of virtual LEAD camp in the last 2 months for students. The second is the LEAD test. It is an online psychometric assessment which is specially designed for the high school students. It identifies key strengths of students, highlights the areas of improvement, and provides detailed analysis on 17 leadership traits. The LEAD Awards. So it is the most awaited event organized every year since 2013 for students of 8th to 12th grade. In LEAD Awards, students from all over India who are from different schools, they all come together to compete on one platform. They go through various different stages and they challenge themselves to develop various skills. And LEAD Awards is a platform that gives real life exposure to the students. You can visit our YouTube channel to see more for LEAD Awards. And yeah, we will shortly be announcing the LEAD Awards in the month of July. The 8th LEAD Awards. So we had completed our 7th LEAD Awards last year, and this is going to be the 8th LEAD Awards. The next program we have is the LEAD Teenopine. So Teenopine is a platform for students where they come together to share their opinions, views, and ideas on various topics. There is no language bar, and students from any school and any city, they can participate and share what they think about various topics. It develops and it gives a boost to their confidence basically. And we are today here for the LEAD Mentorpine session. As you all know, LEAD Mentorpine is a series of webinars for the parents, teachers, and educators. They are held on every Sunday, and we have experts interacting for this webinar sessions with you all. So coming to today's expert, we have Mr. Vikas Agarwal. He is a corporate coach and trainer and is associated with Naman HR. He has a rich experience of 27 years and has conducted more than 3,000 training programs and has 12,000 learners from different areas of business. Mr. Vikas is also our LEAD camp trainer, so all our LEAD buddies love him a lot. Hello, Vikas sir, and I'm really glad to welcome you for this Mentorpine session. And now I'd like to hand over the stage to you.
Thank you so much, Shivani. That was a lovely welcome. I appreciate it. Namaskar, everybody. Good evening. And चालू करने से पहले, शुरुआत करने से पहले, I hope you all are safe. Please are safe. हर रोज I'm meeting not less than about 100 to 150 people across the world through my sessions virtually. In different parts of the world that I'm meeting people, there is fear, there is anxiety, there is pain, there is grief, there is loss. And what saddens me is dar, is bhay, is puri, jo situation ab ho rahi hai. I think what's very important is for us to be reminded the kind of a message and the kind of an example we are setting for the future leaders of the world. That is our children. And I think आज का जो session है, today's session, is a very important session for me, primarily because कहीं ना कहीं हम सब एक उत्तरदायित्व लेके बैठे, एक जिम्मेदारी लेके बैठे हैं. We've taken a responsibility. And that is the responsibility towards the kind of a world we're leaving behind for our kids. The kind of thought processes, the kind of role models, the kind of mental fortitude, किस तरह की सोच धारा, किस तरह का सकारात्मकता, किस तरह की दुनिया हम छोड़ जा रहे हैं हमारे बच्चों की. And I think that's important. And I still remember पहली बार, the first time I became a teacher with the National Association for the Blind in Worli. And I had this one kid who was partially blind as a child, and he became completely blind when he grew up. But you tell him any god, and he would use clay to make the sculpture of the god. I still remember his name was Rakesh. No parents, nothing. And today Rakesh is a teacher with UNICEF, teaching children across the world who are not privileged. आपकी तरह और मेरी तरह उन बच्चों की देखने की क्षमता नहीं है, उन बच्चों की किसी चीज को देखकर खुश होने की क्षमता नहीं. बट फिर भी शायद उनकी जो दृष्टि है, उनकी जो सोच है, उनका जो विजन है, शायद वो लोग जिनके पास आंखें हैं उनसे ज्यादा हो, is what my thinking is. And keeping that Rakesh in mind is what I thought today should be the topic of our discussion. So I'm going to request Shivani if you could move to the next slide. And my topic of today's discussion is strengths-based development. What is strengths-based development? एक किताब लिखी गई थी बहुत ही बेहतरीन, and the name of this book was Giraffes Can't Dance. And what was this Giraffes Can't Dance? This Giraffes Can't Dance was a book based on something called positive psychology. And the story was about this little giraffe. And I don't know how many of you know, but giraffes are known to have the biggest heart. And they're also supposed to have a very sharp ear. And there was this one giraffe who couldn't dance because of the kind of a slim and lean body he had. And he keeps, every time there's a party in the jungle, the only person who's not dancing and not enjoying and wishing, I hope I could dance, I wish I could dance, I wish I could enjoy the party like the others. Kash main bhi dance kar pata, kash main bhi naach pata, was this giraffe. And one day, like everybody else, this giraffe makes a friend. And that friend is a grasshopper, a very wise grasshopper. And the grasshopper tells the giraffe, hey, you know what? I don't think that you can't dance. I just think you've not got the right music. मुझे नहीं लगता कि तुम डांस नहीं कर पाते, मुझे सिर्फ ये लगता है कि तुम्हारा राइट म्यूजिक नहीं है डांस करने. And then the giraffe, the grasshopper presents different music and helps the giraffe start to get comfortable with the dance. And in the next party, the best dancer award is given to the giraffe. I think I agree with Miss Neeta Rathod when she talks about Helen Keller, a very powerful lady, and she says, born blind and deaf, but could see and observe more than others. And the same Helen Keller, Neetaji, and everybody else also made a beautiful statement. She said, the best and the most beautiful things in life cannot be seen or touched. They can only be felt with the heart. And this heart requires feelings. This heart requires nurturing. This heart requires care. This heart requires compassion. So if you see this slide, let's talk about this concept of positive psychology for kids. And when I'm talking about kids, I'm not just talking about little ones. I'm talking about as old as 20, as old as 18. I have a 23-year-old son and a 20-year-old son, Advait and Gaurav. And sometimes it's difficult to understand them. But the moment I use my mind to understand them, I think I try to understand them from what I think I understand them. But the moment I use my heart to understand them, the moment I use my ears to understand them, I think I understand them from what they want me to understand of them. And if you see the slide, you'll see what is the self concept. I think एक बच्चे का, एक बालक का, एक इंसान का बेसिक डेवलपमेंट का डीएनए क्या है, and that's the self. मैं खुद के बारे में क्या सोचता हूं, मैं खुद को कितना मूल्य देता हूं, मैं खुद को कितना मूल्यवान समझता हूं, मेरी खुद की आइडेंटिटी, अस्तित्व के साथ में मेरी कितनी पहचान रख पाता हूं या ना रख पाता हूं. हाउ मच डू आई एसोसिएट my identity? How much am I able to value the person I am? How much am I able to value what I bring to the table and contribute? And what are the elements of this self concept? ये self, स्वयं के अलग अलग पहलू क्या हैं? And there are 5 key elements. Self image, मेरी छवि, मेरी, मैं जब अपने आप को आईने में देखता हूं, when I look at myself in the mirror, what do I think of myself? Number 1, self image plays a huge role. Your body shaming issues come from there, gender issues come from there, race issues come from there. ये पतला है, ये मोटा है, ये ऐसा है, ये काला है, तुम्हारे बाल नहीं है, तुम्हारी ये नहीं है. Self respect, number 2. How do we teach our children to respect who they are? If I want my kids to respect somebody else, I first need to help them to start respecting themselves. I met in one of my corporate training programs with the elevator company, I met a very senior gentleman. And he said, Vikas ji, mujhe aapse baat karni hai. I said, boliye janab. He said ki I have a daughter and she's very shy. I said, okay. How do you know she's shy? No, I know she's shy. I said, okay. So what is wrong in being shy? No, I want her to say hello and talk to people who come home, and I want her to interact with guests. I said, what does she want? He said, I don't understand. I said, everything you want from her is what you want. But have you tried to understand what she wants? Is she scared of strangers? Does she take time to open up and communicate? And if that be it, then that be it. So respecting that individuality of that child. The third element, there is self-belief. मेरी खुद की मेरे ऊपर जो belief है, जो conviction है, एक भरोसा है खुद पे कि मैं कर पाऊंगा. I was reading this book by, I don't remember the name of the author, How to Talk So Children Can Listen. And she was saying, for example, if a child says, Papa, I'm very angry today. And you say, no, beta, don't be angry, be happy. That's the worst thing you can tell a child, because you're denying the child the right of understanding his emotions and imposing on him a very fake emotion. तो आप बच्चे को बोल रहे हो गुस्सा होना बुरी बात है. Instead, let him be angry and ask him, what makes you angry, beta? You look angry, you sound angry. आप दिख रहे हो आप गुस्से में हो. मुझे लग रहा है, मुझे महसूस हो रहा है आप गुस्से में हो. आप क्यों गुस्से में हो बेटा? Instead of saying, नहीं बेटा गुस्सा मत हो. That गुस्सा मत हो किसकी नीड है? बेटे की कि आपकी? I really want you to think about it. Self-image, self-respect and self-belief. और ये 3 जो पहलू हैं, ये अंदरूनी पहलू हैं. And then there comes a manifestation. इसका जो छवि दिखती है दूसरों को, and that is self-display and self-talk. कि मैं दूसरों के सामने अपने आप को डिस्प्ले कैसे करता हूं. मैं जब खुद का जो self-talk है, मैं दूसरों के सामने कितनी कैपेबिलिटी के साथ, कितनी कन्विक्शन के साथ वो एक्सप्रेस कर पाता हूं अपने आप. And what I would also like to bring to your notice that this is a ripple effect. Please ये मत सोचिए कि ये बच्चा स्कूल में अलग है, घर पे अलग है, ट्यूशन में अलग है. हमारे दो दिल, दो दिमाग नहीं है. We're all having one heart and one mind. What we are in one space of our life is what we are in the other space of our life. So when a child is something in the personal space, the school space or the home space, and what he tends to do there or what he's taught to do there has a ripple effect on what he does in the other spaces of his life. Would you agree with me? Right. I would like to hear from you on chat. आपको ये स्लाइड के बारे में क्या लगता है? And आपको क्या लगता है as a parent, as a teacher, as a student, आपके लिए इन 5 elements, self image, self respect, self belief, self display and self talk में से कौन सा पहलू सबसे ज्यादा important है? Just take a quick 30 seconds and I would like to hear from you. Tanvi, thank you. You said yes. Anita, yes. Okay. Thank you, Anita. Kamlesh ji, yes. Self-image. Okay. Dhya says self-respect. Dhya, by the way, I love your name, Dhya. Shweta says self-respect. Neeta ji says self-belief. Chetna ji says good evening. Good evening, Chetna ji. Welcome. Okay. Thank you for those responses. Thank you, Sandhya. And may I request Shivani, could you move to the next slide, please? Thank you. Now that we're talking about the concept of self-image and self-respect, let's look at some other things about positive psychology or strengths. ये self-development का एक पहलू, important पहलू क्या है? And we'd like to talk something about strengths-based development. अगर आप ये slide देखेंगे, आप देखेंगे सबसे पहले there's a little girl there where she is sitting in front of a little pastry. It's actually a marshmallow. एक experiment किया गया था where small children in the age group of about 5 years to 9 years, उनके सामने एक pastry रखी गई थी. And these children were told by the teacher, देखो बेटा मैं बाहर जाके आ रही हूं, आप कुछ भी करना है, pastry मत खाना. Okay? And अगर आप नहीं खाओगे तो मैं वापस आके आपको double pastry दूंगी. Now, when this teacher went out, there were video cameras put into that room. And what they saw was beautiful. They saw some children started talking to the pastry. Some children started dancing so that they get distracted and not get tempted to eat the pastry. Some children, the moment the teacher went away, ate the pastry. And some children looked at the pastry like this little girl and decided, I'm not going to eat it. I'm a good girl. The important part is not this test. And आप इसके बारे में study कर सकते हैं. मैं chat पे डालना चाहूँगा. This is called the marshmallow test. The important part is यही same बच्चे 6 साल, 8 साल, 10 साल बाद, when they went to high school, जब वो high school गए, they started interacting with other kids. They became more matured. इन्हीं बच्चों को वापस जब टेस्ट किया गया, they saw जिन बच्चों ने वो 4th standard में, 3rd standard में, 2nd standard में पेस्ट्री नहीं खाई थी, those kids had better adaptability, better emotional control, better resilience, better goal setting. पर वो बच्चे जिन्होंने टीचर के बाहर जाते ही पेस्ट्री खा ली had lower adaptability, more teenage problems, etc., poor goal setting. So you see, it wasn't about the pastry, but it was about the emotional intelligence of this child. For example, एक लड़का रोता है and you say अच्छे लड़के नहीं रोते. The message you're giving to the child that men don't cry makes that child believe I'm a man, I'm a macho, and makes him feel superior about that label. If you see the second image there, perception forming. कभी आप पार्टी में गए, आपने दो बच्चों को देखा, एक बच्चा थोड़ा सावले रंग का, एक बच्चा थोड़े गोरे रंग का, एंड द गोरे रंग का बच्चा बाय डिफॉल्ट यू गो एंड से और मेरा बच्चा कितना प्यारा दिखता है एटसेट्रा एटसेट्रा, एंड यू क्लिकिंग सेल्फीज विद दैट किड, एंड बाय डिफॉल्ट यू आर ट्राइंग टू create a perception for both children and other children who are watching you to say fair is better than dark, rich is better than poor, English is better than Hindi. I'm sorry, that's unacceptable. Unacceptable. Each time I go to a non-English speaking school, I'm amazed by the confidence of kids who can stand up and talk and attempt to talk in English. It's fantastic. And that kid may make 1,000 grammar mistakes, but I challenge you that he would probably be one of the most confident kids in his expression. Please ye samajhiye, language is a medium of communication. Language is not a test of how intelligent, how smart, how wonderful you are as a person. I'm not saying language is not important, but language is one example, पर ऐसे काफी example है जिससे हम ये perception बनाते हैं. Social inclusion. We want our kids to be included. जा बेटा खेल, जा बेटा ये कर, देख दूसरे कर रहे हैं, तू क्यों नहीं कर रहा है? Give him a space. दूसरे कर रहे हैं वो क्यों करे, मंकी सी मंकी डू. और दूसरे कर रहे हैं जब वो गलत करे, then we say क्यों किया बेटा, दूसरों ने किया तो. And the kid is wondering, पर आपने तो बोल रहा था दूसरे कर रहे हैं तो मैं भी करूं. There was a test that was conducted by a company called Gallup, and I'm a Gallup certified strengths coach, and we do a lot of workshops for children. And we are also going to include some of the Gallup's concepts and strengths-based positive psychology concepts in our Lead Award sessions that we are going to roll out very soon. And Gallup did a survey where they saw that when children went back home with a report card, and if the parents had a choice to work on the child with one of the subjects, 86% parents chose the subject in which the child was the weakest. 14% parents chose the subject in which the child had the highest marks. Now, again, I want to remind you, it's not about lowest marks or highest marks. It's about आप अपने बच्चे को क्या सिग्नल भेज रहे हैं. आप सिग्नल भेजे बेटा तू मैथ्स में कम लाया मतलब तू मैथ्स में स्टूपिड है, तू मैथ्स में कमजोर है, तो वो ठीक कर. हाँ पर मॉम मैं 92 लाया हिस्ट्री में, वो चलेगा, मैथ्स में कम नहीं आना चाहिए. आई एम नॉट सेइंग डोंट फोकस ऑन योर चाइल्ड्स वीकनेस, उनकी डेफिसिट कमियों पे फोकस ना करना मैं नहीं बोल रहा हूं. बट इमेजिन आप खुद अपने लिए लीजिए, मुझे ये नहीं आता, मुझे वो नहीं आता, पर मैं ये चीज में बहुत माहिर हूं. क्या आपके पास दो चॉइस है, जो चीज में आपकी स्ट्रेंथ है, जो चीज में आपकी माहिरता है, जो चीज में आपकी निपुणता है, क्या आप उस पर फोकस करेंगे कि आप अपने 10 साल 20 साल वो चीज की कमी पूरी करने में फोकस करेंगे जिनमें आपका स्ट्रेंथ है ही नहीं. एंड दैट इज द सेम क्वेश्चन आई वुड लाइक फॉर अस when we become accountable for the kids in whatever capacity. Yes, any thoughts anybody would like to share with me right now? Please use the chat. 4 important aspects of self-development: emotional intelligence, perception forming, social inclusion, and strengths focus versus deficit focus. Tanvi says boosting the positive side. I totally agree, Tanvi. But to boost the positive side, you need to know how do you identify the positive side. And the next slide, Shivani, please. I'm going to talk to you about positive side को identify कैसे और क्यों करते हैं. And ये positive side को हम बोलते हैं एक बच्चे का talent. And talent का यही मतलब नहीं कि गिटार बजाना और डांस करना और खाना बनाना, पर जो तरीका है, the method है, used to play the guitar, the method used to make the art, that is the talent. तो टैलेंट क्या है? अ टैलेंट एक बच्चे का नेचुरल सोचने का, महसूस करने का और कार्य करने का मेथड है। नेचुरल थिंक फील एक्ट मेथड। आपको दो एग्जाम्पल देना चाहता हूं। ये मेरे बहुत प्यारे बच्चे हैं। अगर आप देखेंगे, दिस पायलट जिनके साथ मैंने फोटो खिंचाई है, ये इनकी पहली फ्लाइट थी जिन्होंने मुझे इनवाइट किया। हिज नेम इज मोनीश सिमहन। भैया विक्की भैया विक्की भैया करके मोनीश पैदा हुआ है। बिलोंग्स टू अ बैंकर फैमिली। पेरेंट्स wanted him to do engineering, failed twice in engineering, came to me one day for what? Came to me to say, Vicky Bhaiya, I want to commit suicide. Very, very painful. Sat with him, spoke to him, went to his parents. After 2 months, convinced the parents, your child wants to be a pilot. And today he's a proud pilot with Indigo Airlines. Again, please don't mistake me. I'm not saying pilot banna, bahut sara it's not that. It was his passion. It was something he wanted to do. It was what he dreamt about. How do you know that? Because as a child, usko khilone le jao, he used to buy planes. He used to play pilot, which means that boy had dreamt of that talent ever since as a child. आप दूसरी दो फोटो देखेंगे, आई वेरी वेरी प्राउड। मैं एनएसडीसी नेशनल स्किल्स डेवलपमेंट कॉर्पोरेशन का आई बेग योर पार्डन, मैंने एम लिखा है, एनएसडीसी, आई एम सो सॉरी। एनएसडीसी का मैं एक नेशनल स्किल्स कॉर्पोरेशन, नेशनल स्किल्स डेवलपमेंट कॉर्पोरेशन, ये एक संस्था है जो हर 2 साल में कम से कम 25,000 इंडियन बच्चों में से 55 बच्चों को सिलेक्ट करता है। दे सिलेक्ट 25 किड्स which are sent for a World Skills Olympics. And these kids, one of the first gold medalists was one of my proud girls whose name is Neha Chande. Neha won in a skill called beauty contest. And today, and this is exactly what she wanted to do. She had imagined for herself to be a, now please again I'm trying to tell you, जरूरी नहीं है कि हर एक माँ बाप ये करें, जरूरी नहीं है कि हर एक बच्चे की उनकी ड्रीम्स उनकी रियलिटी हो, but to recognize them and to at least make an attempt to give them a platform where they can nurture their talent. I think that is a responsibility. I remember my son Advait, when he failed in his 12th standard, I bought him a camera and he looked at me and said, Dad, are you mad? I failed. You're giving me a camera? I said, Beta, I'm not giving you a camera because you passed or failed. I anyways wanted to give you a camera because I believe you're a good photographer. And today, Advait is an excellent photographer. In fact, lockdown ke time, he clicked a photograph of VT Station, which was picked by a London-based company who gave him a freelance photography assignment. Yeah, that's all that I want to say about the talent. Now, quickly conclude. And Shivani, could you move to the next slide, please? तो एक बच्चे की टैलेंट को आप रिकॉग्नाइज कैसे करेंगे? मेरी बहुत अच्छी एक फ्रेंड है जो एक बहुत बड़ी कुरियर कंपनी के साथ काम करती है जिसका नाम है ब्लू डार्ट। उनका एक 9 साल का बेटा, इतना सेंसिटिव, इमोशनल, ब्यूटिफुल, इनोसेंट चाइल्ड, प्रथम। Yes, Hina, is a natural act. I totally agree. And the key word, and thank you, Hina, for that. The key word is natural. Please understand. And Renuji, very, very important point that you believe that a child with individuality to be understood and focused on as all are unique. You know, I read this in the Bible once, Renuji, and the Bible said, you know, you are unique because the mold that you are made in. भगवान ने आपको जिस मोल्ड में बनाया, वो मोल्ड बनाने के बाद उन्होंने वो मोल्ड तोड़ दिया. He broke the mold by which you were created. And Pratham has made this painting. He loves Tarak Mehta. And this is a portrait of Tarak Mehta. You can see his signature there. I love you, Pratham. And looking at Pratham and many more Prathams that I interact with, some fortunate, some not fortunate, I believe एक talent को recognize कैसे करेंगे, और ये मेरे हिसाब से 7 तरीके, 7 ways in which you can recognize your child's talent. And not only your child, your, as a teacher, as a principal, as a parent, आपकी भी talents हैं. मैं किस तरह की टीचर बनना चाहती हूँ, मैं किस तरह की प्रिंसिपल बनना चाहती हूँ, मैं किस तरह का फादर बनना चाहता हूँ, मैं किस तरह की मदर बनना चाहती हूँ, मैं किस तरह का स्टूडेंट बनना चाहती हूँ. प्लीज रिमेंबर ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स हु आर इन द वर्कशॉप विद मी टुडे, आपका डेवलपमेंट सिर्फ आपके पेरेंट्स और टीचर्स एंड प्रिंसिपल्स की जिम्मेदारी नहीं है, आपकी भी उतनी जिम्मेदारी है. You two are equally accountable. It's a co-partnership, it's a co-action, it's a co-created process, my kids. We're all, it's a community development process. So what are the ways in which you recognize your talent? Passion, andhadhuni passion, jazba, a natural skill. इतने आसानी से वो बच्चा वो कर पाता है, वो टीचर वो कर पाती है. I know of a teacher, she's, I forget the school, Borivali. There's a school in Borivali, Mumbai. I forget the name. Her name was some Christina Massarinus or something. She is such a natural with all kinds of children. The kids loved her, not because of anything else, because of the way she's so empathetically connected with the kids. Now that's a natural skill. Liking. एक कोई चीज है जिसमें बहुत चाहत है, उसका वो चीज का नाम सुनते ही, फॉर सम किड्स डांस का नाम सुनते ही आंखें चौंक जाती है, फॉर सम किड्स खाना बनाने का नाम सुनते ही आंखें चौंक जाती है, फॉर सम किड्स टेबल टेनिस का नाम सुनते ही आंखें चौंक जाती हैं. हाई इंटरेस्ट, हाई लर्निंग कर्व, ग्लिम्पसेस ऑफ एक्सीलेंस. कुछ चीजें हैं जो मैं दूसरों से बेहतर कर पाता हूं, कुछ चीजें हैं जो मैं दूसरों से ज्यादा सीख पाता हूं, कुछ चीजें हैं जिसमें मेरा दूसरों से ज्यादा इंटरेस्ट है. एंड मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट, जैसे रेणु जी बोल रही हैं, सेल्फ इंस्पायर्ड. कुछ चीजें हैं जो करके मुझे एक तृप्ति मिलती है, एक सेटिस्फैक्शन मिलता है, एक बहुत ही अच्छा मजा आता है. मैं recently I was watching a video where this girl is in a restaurant and she's ordered some food for her, and she sees a man outside and she says, "Mom, Dad, can I go give my food to that man?" And the mom said, "Please do." And she goes outside and gives the food and comes back, and she has the biggest radiating smile on her face. She's not done that to show to her parents I'm a nice child. She's done that for her own satisfaction. मेरे हिसाब से the best thing we can give our children is the gift of they do things for their satisfaction. The right things, the moral things. And with this, I also want to share with you, this is one side of the story, but strengths-based development also has some caution areas. Shivani, could you please? Yeah. And some of the caution areas are one versus the others. Some kids are very good in academics और हमको लगता है सिर्फ उनका academic development करो. Now, when these kids grow up, they're academically very good, but their social adjustment, their team adjustment, their people adjustment, their cultural adjustment is very, very poor. So it's never one versus the others. Overutilization. जब मैं एक स्ट्रेंथ को बहुत ही अधिक मात्रा में यूज करता हूं कोई सिचुएशन में, वही स्ट्रेंथ मेरी वीकनेस भी बन सकती है. अगर एज अ किड, एज अ टीचर, एज अ प्रिंसिपल, एज अ पेरेंट मेरे में एम्पैथी है, पर वही एम्पैथी को मैं इतना ज्यादा यूज कर रहा हूं कि वो मेरी एम्पैथी सिंपैथी बन जाए, then that becomes an overutilization. इस overutilization को as a psychologist we call them blind spots. A sense of superiority. मेरे में strength है, that does not mean दूसरों में नहीं हो सकती है. I should not feel that arrogance. There's a difference between pride and arrogance. Compare instead of benchmark. Point number 4. मैं दूसरों के सीख के, दूसरों के साथ, अरे मिश्रा आंटी के लड़के को देखा, उसको इतना मिला, अरे उसको देखा वो तो ये कर रहा है, तुम क्यों नहीं कर रहे हो? Stop comparing. Inspire the child by creating a benchmark. अरे बेटा वो उतना अच्छा कर पा रहा है, आपको क्या लगता है? हाँ डैड बहुत अच्छा क्रिकेट खेल रहा है, बेटा आप भी खेलते हो ना, अच्छा आप और क्या कर सकते हो? Inspire them to benchmark and learn from others. Create healthy competition. Don't create a competition where the kid participates only to win. Create a competition where the kid participates to enjoy. Cost versus value. I think this is a very important one. Branded कपड़े चाहिए, branded ये चाहिए. And many of parents, क्यों? Because मुझे नहीं मिल पाया. I'm not saying don't do things for your kid, but I'm saying don't do things at such a level that they start looking at the price tag of things and not appreciate the value of things. Build the will. Make them resilient. मेरी life में, I'm sorry if I'm paining anybody right now, but मेरी life में the most beautiful time in my life has been this lockdown. It's taught me lessons which I think 100 years of human existence will not teach me. Every day I used to go feed biscuits to the dogs. Gradually, children started joining me, elders started joining me. Of course, when the corona cases increased, we requested them not to come there. But they still are able to contribute in whatever they can contribute. So build that willpower with your children. Teach them to value that will. And last but not the least, gratitude. आज भी मुझे याद है, as a kid, I used to study in a Catholic school, and they used to teach me to tell prayers. They used to, the idea was not to learn the prayers. The idea was not to know कि prayer का second line क्या है. The idea was to feel thankful that I have food in my plate today. The idea was to feel thankful that I have two hands to eat, I have a tongue to taste. And that was the idea of the prayers. Till today, I will never allow anybody to pick up my plate after I've eaten. And that is not because I'm proud of one. That is because that's the way I've been brought up. It's okay. Let your son go wash his plate. It's okay for your daughter to go and get her own glass of water. And it's okay for you also to do that and sometimes not depend on others to go and get water and food for you. आप खुद हमेशा बोलते हैं बेटा पानी लाना, बेटा ये करना, and then you expect your kids to do that themselves. Doesn't work. Again, I'm saying it's a co-action. It's a partnership. As a parent, as a child, as a teacher, it's a community process. I'm a very community man. Thank you, Tanviji. I agree with you that it's time to know yourself. It's time to know your surroundings. Well, I totally agree with Tanviji. And I would like to conclude this. Shivani, could you please move to the last slide? Some quick tips. देखिए आप एक पेरेंट हो, मैं नहीं बता सकता आपको. I think it's an insult to your intelligence if I have to teach you what do you need to do as a parent, what you need to do as a teacher, what do you need to do as a child yourself. We are all born with that intelligence to know what's right, wrong for us. All of us. मैं मूवी देख रहा था on Netflix. मूवी का नाम है ये बैले. दो बैले डांसर्स हैं. बैले इज अ डांस फॉर्म. उस डांस फॉर्म के लिए एक तरह की बॉडी टाइप चाहिए. अब ये जो टीचर इंडिया आए थे, ये एक बच्चे को बहुत फेवरेट मानते थे बिकॉज उसके पास बैले करने की वो बॉडी टाइप थी, और उसके पास बैले करने का जज्बा नहीं था, जिगरा नहीं था, चाहत नहीं थी. He didn't have the courage, he didn't have the conviction, he didn't have the art, he didn't have the grace to do the ballet. Another boy one day comes and says, teacher, I want to show you my ballet. And he does this beautiful ballet piece. And the teacher says, wow, I didn't know you could do ballet. He says, well, you never saw me doing it. आपने कभी देखा ही नहीं. What does he mean? You know, जब मैं कंपनीज में जाता हूं and leaders बोलते हैं ये बंदे में पोटेंशियल है, ये बंदे में पोटेंशियल नहीं है. टीचर बोलती है ये बच्चे में पोटेंशियल है, ये बच्चे में नहीं. सब बच्चों में पोटेंशियल है. आई एम सॉरी, आप वो पोटेंशियल देख नहीं रहे हैं. And because आप देख नहीं रहे हैं does not mean the kid does not have the potential. And my dear children, the same holds true for you. Don't let anyone tell you or decide for you if you have the potential or not. Only you decide for yourself. So on a closing note, in the next 5 to 6 minutes, I'd like to just conclude by saying, don't try to balance things out. Don't try to always, one versus the other. Your role is to integrate. Number 2, separate your hats. जब आप फ्रेंड बन रहे हो, फ्रेंड की तरह रहो, पेरेंट बन रहे हो, पेरेंट की तरह रहो, टीचर बन रहे हो, टीचर की तरह रहो. Wear the hat and play that role. Don't try to confuse too many hats. Separate your hats. Imagine करिए 4 डब्बे हैं. एक में लॉन्ड्री के कपड़े हैं, एक में धोने के कपड़े हैं, एक में चैरिटी के कपड़े हैं, और एक में इस्त्री के कपड़े हैं. अपने अपने लॉन्ड्री के कपड़ों में चैरिटी के कपड़े डाल दिए, चैरिटी के कपड़ों में इस्त्री के कपड़े डाल दिए. What's going to happen? Segregate your hats. Point number 3, inquire. बेटा रूम क्यों नहीं साफ हुआ है? बेटा कितनी देर में आप रूम साफ कर सकते हो? बेटा रूम साफ करने में आपको क्या सपोर्ट लगेगा? बेटा आपको लगता है रूम साफ करना इज इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर यू? आई एम अ ट्रेनर फॉर नॉन वायलेंट कम्युनिकेशन, एंड नॉन वायलेंट कम्युनिकेशन में हम बोलते हैं यू कैन नेवर मेक अ डिमांड फ्रॉम अनदर ह्यूमन बीइंग, यू कैन ओनली मेक अ रिक्वेस्ट. और डिमांड और रिक्वेस्ट में डिफरेंस क्या है? डिमांड में हम एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं कि सामने से आंसर हाँ ही आना चाहिए, बट रिक्वेस्ट मीन्स if the child or if the person you're making a request to says no, you need to have the capacity to hear the no. And therefore, our job is to inquire. And inquiry is beautiful because inquiry makes the child think and develop critical thinking skills. जब मैं बच्चे से पूछता हूं, बेटा मैथ्स आपके लिए इंपॉर्टेंट क्यों है? विज़वी बेटा मैथ्स में ध्यान क्यों नहीं दे रहे हो? I still remember, my mom is not with me anymore. Last year she passed away, but I still remember once she was in the kitchen and room mein kuch toota and my mom shouted, "Kya toda?" She shouted from the room. And that happened once, twice, thrice. And I said, "Mom, please, can you understand kya toda? What is the meaning of kya toda?" And she said, "Apna trainer ka gyan mat de mujhe." I said, "No, I'm serious. I want to have this conversation with you. What do you mean by kya toda? And if I tell you, if something breaks from your hand and I say, kya toda, mom, how are you going to feel?" And then she realized. And one day, the same incident happened again. And my mom, very beautifully, instead of kya toda, she said, kya toota? And can you imagine the difference on that domestic help between kya toda and kya toota? So make requests, don't make demands, and tell them what you need. ये मत करो बेटा, ये करो. Tell them what you want them to do. Don't tell them what they don't need to do, because पूरी दुनिया उनको बोल रही है what they don't need to do. Very true, Renuji. If a child needs to be loving, punctual, obedient, mannered, we have to behave the same. नहीं तो वो रोल मॉडल नहीं होगा, वो फिर प्रीचिंग हो जाएगा. आपने वही लिखा है. फिर वो walk the talk नहीं होगा, Renuji and everybody else. And Renuji is very right. There won't be walk the talk. What will that be? That will be talk the talk. बोलो पर दूसरे करो, मैं नहीं करूंगा. And last one, of be aware of your bodies, your children's body cues, your own body cues. I remember one kid who had some sort of a very, very first degree, some sort of, psychosomatic disorder. And his mother went and studied all types of that disorder. Now, one of the most intense types थे that your child will start, his hands will start shivering while picking up a glass. And it actually happened one day that the child went to pick up a glass and uske haath kaapne lage and glass gir gaya. Why did it happen? Because every time the child tried to do something, the mother would stand in one corner and think, "Arey, ye ho jayega, arey, ye ho jayega." Please understand, we are all made up of energies. Whatever you think about me right now, that energy is going to impact me whether you like it or not. Especially between a child who's so vulnerable, where he starts to see the parent or the mother or even the bai sometimes as a mother-like figure. That becomes his reality. One girl I went to a class, said, "Beta, आप exercise क्यों नहीं कर रहे हो?" 8th standard girl, we were doing some psychological exercises, and she said, "मैं तो stupid हूँ, मुझसे नहीं होगा." I said, "बेटा आपको कौन बोल रहा है आप stupid हो?" And she gave me several examples where the word stupid was used for her again and again, which started to become her reality. So please be aware of your cues. And lastly, acknowledge, appreciate, but at the same time, constructively give feedback to the child. But I want to share something with you. आपने ये 3 चीजें की, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा, इसमें ये अच्छा लगा, बट बेटा मुझे लगता है ये आप करते हैं तो और अच्छा हो सकता था. आपको क्या लगता है? And that's all that I want to say. And I thank you, Tanvi ji, for your beautiful message. And thank you so much, Tanvi ji. I have no words. You've written a very, very beautiful message. And not only parents, not only children, but I would also extend this. Kabhi kabhi hum parent-teacher meetings ke liye jaate hain. We have a huge lot of demands from the teachers. But imagine the role they are playing. Imagine the role parents are playing. Please understand, we're all doing what we can best do as human beings. अगर हम सब जानते सही चीज क्या है, सही चीज ही करनी है, wouldn't it the world be a more beautiful place? But it would also be a very flawed place, right? Because there would be no scope of being a human being. We'd all be robots. So my request to you, nurture what you have the right intention for yourself and your children, and just try to grow with each other in whatever moment you can be. Just grow with each other. And usi ke saath, I thank you all for a lovely session. I've taken about 47 minutes of the session, and I will hand over the stage to Shivani to continue and start to conclude. If you have any questions for me, please feel free to ask.
Thank you so much, sir. That was, I think, a really, really enriching session. And I would like to ask Dhrumit sir to join us on stage and share his inputs.
Thank you, Shivani. And of course, thank you very much, Vikas, to spare a time for us, because we planned it from so very long, but Vikas is always busy in his corporate trainings and all. But I think that I don't need to say anything about and comment about the session, because I see that conversation going on, and that Tanviji and other participant what commented and says about this session. So I'm very thankful to you. I'm just requesting parents and teachers and all the students, those who are in this session, that LEAD is always working for the adolescents to nurture this new generation leaders, to only one reason and with one vision, that to build ethical, confident and competent India. And apart from this Mentopine session, we also have a Teenopine session where, and it's also a free of course, where the students from different area of the Gujarat and all over the India comes together, and they always discuss certain topics and they share their opinion. The only objective is to give them a platform where they can show their abilities, they get chance to share their opinion. And I think this is the most important thing which requires nowadays. So I request all the parents, teachers and educators to please send and pass our message to all parents and teachers, and those who are not get chance to interact with us in a earlier phase, that please join us in Mentopine as well as in Teenopine session. Of course, we are going to announce that LEAD Awards. LEAD Award is the process where students from grade 8 to 12 participate. They go through certain challenges with the real kind of exposure, where as a leader they can face the challenge and they need to tackle, and they have to understand and develop their capabilities of being a confident one with a good character, collaboration skills, and of course a competence and decision making power. So this will be one of the great opportunity for all the students. So rather than spending time in certain kind of other activities, I'll just request all the parents that think about those skills which is going to required nowadays when they are in a market, and when they are being any professional, whatever profession they may choose. That leadership is certain thing which matter a lot. And I think that's why we have that patented 4C model, which is derived with the extensive research by the team of psychologists, that confidence, character, collaboration, and competence. And those who are interested to be part of lead awards or in certain kind of activities of Tinopine and Mentopine, I just request Shivani to share a WhatsApp group link where we always keep posted you about the awards. And don't worry about that. We are not going to call you on this or certain kind of other kind of stuff and other kind of chit chat going on. It is a purely for updating you regarding the upcoming programs and kind of Tinopine and Mentopine session, because these are the sessions organized every week. So Tinopine is always on a Wednesday and Mentopine is on Sunday, and it is a free of cost. So I'll request you all join this group and please share your message. I see that a lot of teachers are there. So if you can share me your email IDs or school email ID, I can send you the brief about the whole program. And now I am open with the question answer round. If whatever you want to ask Vikas or to us regarding the programs, you are free to reach us. And yeah, session is open for question answer round. Yeah, you can click on this and join our WhatsApp group for the updates, and you can ask the questions.
You don't have questions, then I'm going to start asking questions.
I am very happy to see that you are brief them so nicely that they don't have any doubt.
I will then just put 3 questions, and the first question I'll put is that what are my top 3 talents or strengths as a parent or teacher or question number 2, which things am I taking granted for and not valuing? Question number 3, how well am I using my verbal, non-verbal, and tone to connect authentically, meaningfully with others. These are 3 very powerful questions. Whoever's on this webinar, I'd like you for you to reflect. You have my email ID. You want to have a discussion with me? You want to talk about these questions? You would like for me to come and partner with you for the development of your institution, organization? We would love to do that. For that, we'd love to reflect for you to just benchmark yourself to another level than where you are today. Yes, there, I agree there.
And we are also open for your suggestion or feedback, that if you want any kind of topic to discuss or to share on next Sunday or in upcoming Sundays, we will very happy to have that. So if you think as a teacher or as a parent, certain topics needs to be discussed or shared or explained by the experts, we are very glad to have that kind of suggestions. So we are open, you can share here or you can share in WhatsApp group as well.
On a closing note, you can go to this website called Values in Action, and you can do a free strengths test for yourself and get to know what are your strengths. If you need for me any information, get in touch with us. We're going to be here now for the next 5 more minutes. If you have any questions, thoughts, concerns. Chetna ji says answer to one is, as a teacher, she wants to be a perfect guide who guides a student to success. Chetna ji, my recommendation would be, Chetna ji, my recommendation is to be an imperfect guide with perfect intentions. Because imperfection will relieve you from the stress of being the perfect person, and will also give the signal for others to, it's okay to be flawed, it's okay to be broken, it's okay to not have everything you desire as a human being. There's beauty in imperfection as much as beauty that we see in perfection, Chetna ji. Thank you. I appreciate it. Thank you, Bhavani ji. Thank you so much. My pleasure, Chetna ji.
Yeah, I have a message. Regarding the lead awards, we are going to launch the date of the registration by mostly by first week of July. So we will share all the details, and if you can share me your email ID, we will share you the brochure and other details about the awards. I get 2-3 personal messages about the awards that, so I'm just replying you in common.
Tanvi also a teacher who shares openly and thoughtfully with others. I'm sure you do that, Tanvi ji. Thank you, Shri. Thank you, Ms. Nair, Sri Devi ji. What did you like most about any one concept you liked the most, Sri Devi ji? We have 2 more minutes. If anything else, we can be at your service today from the lead team. I don't want to run away after the 6 minutes, 1 hour. It's just that everybody's time is precious and we just want to respect that time. That's the only thing.
But you all can reach us anytime, whenever you have any questions. We are always ready to help. If you have certain students in your mind that who should get such opportunities, you can bring it to us, and we will definitely help them to be a part of that Tinopine session and other sessions if required.
Yes, Tanviji, self-belief is, I think, the foundation of it all. Shivani, I think I just want to share one last thing and then I will be signing off. I remember as a kid, I went to Nepal once and I was talking to this little girl in an NGO. Her name was Lakshmi, right? And then there was a diya, it was Diwali time. And I was in Kathmandu, in the main city. Lakshmi was sitting with me near the temple. And then I took a matchstick and I lit the diya and I said, Lakshmi, beta, bata sakte ho? ये आग आई कहाँ से? And Lakshmi then, after a lot of thinking, she extinguished the diya and she said, "पहले भैया आप बताओ ये आग गई कहाँ पर?" And that's when I realized anybody can be a teacher. Anybody. That's all that I want to say. Thank you so much, everybody, and you have a safe times ahead. Help each other grow. Be kind to each other. I think that's what the world needs more, which is kindness and compassion. And I think LEAD is doing that exactly. Congratulations to the team, and thank you, everybody.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone, for being a part of this session, and looking forward to see you all again on next Sunday, same time, that is 5 p.m. I have shared the contact details. I hope you all have received them well. We'll also share a mail with you with all the contact details again. Thank you, and see you soon on next Sunday.
Baba, Baba, Baba.
Thank you everyone. Thanks, Vikas. Thanks a lot.
Pleasure, Dhuman. Thanks.